rise, old compatriots, Nigerians come again to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes was join them on in the land to serve with heart and voice. One nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.
You are welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so that whenever we drop another video, YouTube will notify you for you to come and watch it. In this video, I want to really explain how the veterans, the retired military personnel in Nigeria can go about installing the new app that has been made available by the Military Pension Board for verification. I am also a retired personnel, and that is why I am doing this, for the benefit of our older personnel that might not know how to go about it. So just follow me step by step and enjoy this ride. First thing you need to do is to make sure that you have the Play Store app installed on your device. Make sure you have a Play Store app installed on your device and then tap on it. That's the Play Store app. That's the icon that I've just circled there. So you tap on it and open it up. Allow it to open. Once it's opened up, then tap on this search bar. Tap on the search bar. When you tap on that search bar, then search for that app. Just type Military Pension Board. Military Pension Board. You can see it has brought out this military pension app. So tap on that keyword. You tap on that keyword, it will give you, this is it as number 1 here. This is the app that we are looking for with the pension board logo. So when you do that, you tap on it and you open it up. You see, I have just installed my own. That is why you see it's written open and uninstall. On your own, what you are going to see there is install. No, instead of open, you see install with this blue color. So when you see that, you tap on it, you allow it to download. After downloading, then it will be installed on your app. Then you will be able to see these two buttons, the one that says uninstall and the one that says open. So tap on the open app to open up the app, just the same way I have just done. Then you will be taken into the app while the app opens up. This is the first page of the app, the interface. Say we salute our veterans for their helpless service. So what you need to do in this case is just to tap on this button, next button, next. You tap on the next.
Good day, our esteemed pensioners.
Where the chairman is welcoming all the pensioners. Just listen to it. Take your time and listen.
I am Rear Admiral S.A. Lawal, the chairman, Military Pensions Board. Over the years, retired officers.
Okay, you can take your time and listen to it. And when you finish, you are done listening to it, just tap the next button, the green next button lower right hand corner. Tap. Oh, I've typed it twice. Okay. Let me go back. Okay. Yeah, tap on
Good day,
it.
our esteemed.
Tap on it. Then just make sure that you read what is written. Say this application is a biometric data verification for the Military Pension Board, Nigeria. Please flip to the next page to get an understanding of the application. It's just telling us that this is mainly for military personnel, those that has retired, that are in the payroll of the pension board. So we tap on next. We are having a warning here. Warning says this mobile application is for the exclusive use of retired personnel. That is what I've just said. It's only for retired personnel in the Armed Forces of Nigeria only. So if you have downloaded this app in an error, because some people that are just there, they want to try out all the app they see that they saw on the App Store. So if you are not a military personnel, a retired military personnel, because I know that many people will be watching this on my channel, please don't download the app. It is not for you. It is mainly for a retired military personnel. So click next and let's go. So this is the attestation. You have to read through it and agree to what he has just said. And what is it? You are attesting that you are a retired personnel of the Nigerian Armed Forces. And you consent, O Lord, to providing your biometrics. Consent to it, providing your biometrics. And you now declare that you are not an impostor. You are telling them that you are not an impostor, so that when you are caught tomorrow as an impostor, you'll be meted to with the right judgment, because you have already said that you are not an impostor. So if you are now found out, if it is now found out that you are an impostor, then you will pay for it. The serial number 46. I do hereby attest that the service number that you are going to be providing on the next page is your own. It's not another person's own. And serial 5, you are that I voluntarily release my service number and my BVN, that you are not under compulsion for you to release your BVN and your service number. So you are going to agree to these terms, this attestation. We call it terms of service, whatever you want to call it, agreement. So here it is being called attestation. So once you have read through it and you have tested and you agreed with it, once you agree with it, then go ahead and tap I agree. You tap on I agree, then you'll be taken to this page where you are going to input your service number and your BVN. And immediately you have done that, before you tap sign in, you now check this box that says I agree to the terms of usage. And it's very, very required. If you don't do it, you cannot go further. So this is the preliminary section of this app. I won't go further from here because we have not been asked to start filling it. So I won't sign in, but immediately you just fill in here, you tap on sign in. Say, let me just tap on sign in and you see what it's going to say. So say, please enter a valid service number, enter a valid BVN. And this place is required, this box. I must check it if I want my form to sign in. So before I finish this, let me go to help. Let's read what is there. So welcome to the help desk. We can be reached via the following channel. Via this WhatsApp number, or you make a call, or you visit the website, or you send an email. So during the process of filling out the forms, you encounter any problem, you can easily tap on help and contact the help desk via the numbers listed on this page, or you write an email. If you are someone that is so conversant with your email, you can send them email, you can add this number to your WhatsApp, then you can save this number on your phone and you can call them anytime. As I've said, I'm going to stop here now. I will be posting the next the part B of this video immediately we are asked to start using the app, so that I can see what is going to happen on the other end. I made a record and post it, so check back. That is why I say you should subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I post this, be part of it, you will be notified and you will come and see how it works. Thank you for watching. Thank you.